Hi, I'm Tim Derrico with HMY Yacht Sales, and welcome to the Bahamas. We're here in Harbour Island, Bahamas, celebrating the 2021 Princess Spring Owners Rendezvous. Upon arrival to Eleuthera and Harbour Island, all the boats had to navigate through the Devil's Backbone, which is a reef system that runs right up to the beach on the north end of Eleuthera. The HMY staff arrived at Harbour Island on Thursday morning, which was the first day of the event here. We provided all of our clients with gift bags and goodie bags of shirts and towels and blankets and just things that they might use while they're at the event. Once everybody got settled into Valentine's Resort, it gave them a chance to rest up for the festivities ahead. Day 2 of the event on Harbour Island was a spectacular beach day. Harbour Island is known for its pink sand beaches and endless miles of coastline. As usual, Princess's Beach Party was one of the highlights of the rendezvous, with horseback riding and sea bobs, Hobie cats, live music, and an open endless bar and food, 250 people. And probably the highlight of the beach party was an egg toss event that just went on forever with everybody involved. Food on Harbour Island is second to none. The restaurants are top quality. The food is as good as you can get in any restaurant in Palm Beach, New York City. There was a couple nights of the event that dinners were delivered to owners on the boats, and a couple other nights where people ventured to different restaurants throughout the island. Another highly anticipated event at the Princess Rendezvous is the scavenger hunt. What made the scavenger hunt interesting is they weren't looking for physical objects, but history about the island. The scavenger hunts at the Princess Rendezvous have been an ongoing event, and for 6 years in a row, the Sherry Lynn captured first place. Alternative activities on day 3 and 4 include back to the beach, fishing offshore, bone fishing inshore, snorkeling, diving, lots of different waterborne activities. The final day of the event is an open exploration day for the clients to do whatever they prefer, whether it's cruising the island, enjoying lunch on the waterfront, going back to the beach. We've had some clients that have already been out fishing, and they're just doing whatever they can do to enjoy the last day of this event here on Harbour Island.
Hi, I'm Lee Patterson.
And I'm Cher Patterson.
This is our 7th Princess Rendezvous that we've attended over the years. They're always wonderful times to be together with other Princess owners that thoroughly enjoy their Princess boat. The docktail competition is exciting. Judges come around and judge the best cocktail for each of the boats based on creativity, ambiance, potency, name. It's a great time to show what a great bartender you are around your boat.
Special thanks to Princess America for putting on this event and Valentine's Resort, and all the workers and residents of Harbour Island who made this a spectacular event. I'm Tim Derrico. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.